Good afternoon, children. As we have been discussing about chapter 4, that is geography, topic is climate. Dear students, now we shall discuss the topic, the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. What is onset monsoon and withdrawal? This topic will enable us to know about the monsoon. Unlike the trades, are not steady winds but are pulsating in nature, affected by different atmospheric conditions encountered by it. On its way over the warm tropical seas. The fact is of this topic, just like the trades, the monsoon are not steady winds but are pulsating in nature. जैसे ट्रेड्स जो होती हैं, ट्रेड्स आर काइंड ऑफ विंड. Monsoon is not so. It is a steady wind but are pulsating in nature, affected by different atmospheric conditions. Monsoon is affected by different types of atmospheric conditions. Then monsoon occurs for rain, encountered by it on its way over the warm tropical seas. The duration of the monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid-September. This is the exact duration of the monsoon. It remains for 100 and 120 days around the time of its arrival. The normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. मानसून जो होता है वो धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज करता है और अचानक ही इंक्रीज करता है और ये करीब कई दिनों तक जारी रहता है. Occurs once, it remains for many days. This is known as the burst of the monsoon. The burst of the monsoon means heavy rainfall and can be distinguished from the pre-monsoon showers. ये प्री मानसून शावर से अलग होता है, ये बस्ट मानसून होता है. इसलिए बस्टिंग ऑफ क्लाउड भी कह सकते हैं, बहुत तेज इन फुल स्पीड. द मानसून अराइव्स एट द southern tip of the Indian peninsula generally by the first week of June. Subsequently, it proceeds into the Arabian Sea branch and reaches Mumbai about 10 days later, approximately the 10th of June. Means it starts from the branch of Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal. Arabian Sea branch मुंबई में पहुंचता है करीब 10 दिन बाद में. वहाँ से जब शुरू करता है तो 10 दिन बाद ये अरबियन ब्रांच मुंबई पहुंचता है। इसका अराइवल डेट 10th of June है मुंबई में। दिस इज ए फैंटी रैपिड एडवांस। द बे ऑफ बंगाल branch also advances rapidly and arrives in Assam in the first week of June. At the same time, the monsoon occurred in Bay of Bengal branch reaches to the Assam in first week of June. The lofty mountains causes the monsoon winds to deflect towards the west over the Ganga plains. The main cause occurring monsoon there, that is lofty mountains. ऊंचे ऊंचे पहाड़ हैं, पर्वत हैं, उसकी वजह से यहाँ पर मानसून आकर कर लेता है जल्दी। Over the Ganga plains by mid-June, the Arabian Sea branch of the monsoon arrives over Saurashtra, Kutch and the central part of the country. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon merge over the northwestern part of the Ganga plains. Delhi generally receives the monsoon showers from the Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June, that is tentative date is 29 of June. ये अनुमानित डेट है जब ये मानसून बे ऑफ बंगाल का जुलाई वीक में 1 जुलाई में वेस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश की तरफ मूव कर जाए। पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड ईस्टर्न राजस्थान experiences the monsoon. By mid-July, the monsoon reaches Himachal Pradesh and the rest of the country. Withdrawal of the retreat of the monsoon is a more gradual process. The withdrawal of the monsoon begins in northwestern states of India by early September. By mid-October, it withdraws completely from the northern half of the peninsula. The withdrawal from the southern half of the peninsula is fairly rapid. By early December, the monsoon has withdrawn from the rest of the country. The island receives the very first monsoon showers progressively from south to north from the last week of April to the first week of May. The withdrawal takes place progressively from north to south from the first week of December to the first week of January. By this time, the rest of the country is already under the influence of the winter monsoon. The seasons. The monsoon type of climate is characterized by a distinct seasonal pattern. The weather conditions greatly change from one season to the other. These changes are particularly noticeable in the interior parts of the country. The coastal areas do not experience much variation in temperature, though there is variations in rainfall pattern. How many seasons are experienced in your place? 4 main seasons can be identified in India. What are they? The cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon, and the retreating monsoon, with some regional variations. The cold weather season, now we shall see, that is winter. The cold weather season begins from mid-November in northern India and stays till February, December and January are the coldest months in the northern part of India. The temperature decreases from south to the north. The average temperature of Chennai on the eastern coast is between 24 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, while in the northern plains it ranges between 10 degrees to 15 degrees Celsius. Days are warm and nights are cold. Frost is common in the north and the higher slopes of the Himalayas experience snowfall. During this season, the northeast trade winds prevail over the country. They blow from land to sea and hence for most part of the country it is a dry season. Some amount of rainfall occurs on the Tamil Nadu coast from these winds, as here they blow from sea to land. In the northern part of the country, a feeble high pressure region develops with light winds moving outwards from this area. Influenced by the relief, these winds blow through the Ganga Valley from the west and the northwest. The weather is normally marked by clear sky. Now temperatures and low humidity are feeble variable winds. So in this way we have seen the season and the monsoon. In the next discussion we shall continue the same thing, same chapter for more details. Till then, thank you, goodbye.